Where to invest $500,000 for retirement? 10 smart choices. With $500,000 saved for retirement, choosing the right mix of investments is essential for long-term income, capital protection, and growth. A balanced strategy can help you enjoy financial security while adapting to inflation and market shifts. Get free Gold IRA Guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here are 10 strong options to consider. 1. Dividend-paying stocks. Reliable companies that regularly increase dividends offer steady income and potential growth. Great for compounding wealth over time. Risk, moderate. Liquidity, high. 2. Real estate investment trusts. REITs. REITs offer real estate income without owning property. Many pay high dividends, making them ideal for retirement income. Risk, moderate. Liquidity, medium, public, to low, private. 3. Municipal bonds. These tax-free bonds from state and local governments offer steady, low-risk income, perfect for retirees in higher tax brackets. Risk, low to moderate. Liquidity, medium. 4. Fixed annuities. Provide guaranteed income for life or a set time. A safe, predictable option, though funds are often locked in. Risk, low. Liquidity, low. 5. Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, backed by the U.S. government. TIPS protect your money from inflation. A smart choice for risk-averse retirees. Risk, very low. Liquidity, high. 6. Balanced mutual funds. These funds mix stocks and bonds for both growth and income. They auto-adjust to market changes, simplifying your strategy. Risk, moderate. Liquidity, high. 7. Certificates of deposit, CDs, great for preserving capital with fixed interest. A laddered approach keeps some money accessible at different times. Risk, very low. Liquidity, low, until maturity. 8. Target date retirement funds. These funds shift from growth to safety as you age. Simple and hands-off, ideal for long-term retirement planning. Risk, decreases over time. Liquidity, high. 9. High-yield savings accounts, FDIC insured and risk-free. These accounts are perfect for emergency funds and short-term needs. Risk, none. Liquidity, high. 10. Gold IRA. Investing in a gold IRA offers inflation protection and portfolio stability. A bold choice if you prioritize wealth preservation. Risk, low to moderate. Liquidity, moderate. Retirement isn't one size fits all. With $500,000, diversify wisely across income, safety, and inflation protection to enjoy peace of mind and financial independence. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.